Google Pixel 9a versus Google Pixel 8a. When it comes to display size, the Google Pixel 9a boasts a larger 6.3 inches, offering a more immersive experience compared to the 6.1 inches of the Pixel 8a. This extra real estate is perfect for streaming videos or gaming on the go, enhancing your visual experience significantly. The Google Pixel 9a features a stunning 48 megapixel main camera, which excels in capturing detailed images even in low light, while the Pixel 8a, with its 64 megapixel lens, still delivers impressive shots. The Pixel 9a's advanced capabilities make it ideal for photography enthusiasts looking to capture every moment with clarity. Both models come with options of 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage paired with 8 GB of RAM. However, the Google Pixel 9a ensures smoother multitasking and app performance, which is crucial for heavy users who rely on their devices for both work and play. The Pixel 9a offers a resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels, slightly higher than the 1080 by 2400 pixels of the Pixel 8a. This means sharper images and text, making your viewing experience more enjoyable, whether you're browsing or watching videos. With an octa-core CPU, the Google Pixel 9a provides a performance boost with its combination of high-speed cores, making it more efficient for demanding tasks compared to the non-core setup of the Pixel 8a. This performance difference means faster app launches and smoother gameplay. The Google Pixel 9a packs a powerful 5100 mAh battery, outlasting the 44492 mAh of the Pixel 8a. This extended battery life is essential for users who are always on the move and need their device to keep up with their busy lifestyles. Both models share a 13-megapixel selfie camera, but the Pixel 9a's overall camera system enhances image processing, resulting in better selfies with improved color accuracy and detail, making it the go-to choice for social media enthusiasts. The Google Pixel 9a features a premium build with Gorilla Glass on the front and an aluminum frame, providing a more robust feel compared to the Pixel 8a's Gorilla Glass 3. This durability ensures your phone withstands daily wear and tear, keeping it looking new longer. The Google Pixel 9a is powered by the Google Tensor G4 chipset, offering improved AI capabilities and performance over the Tensor G3 in the Pixel 8a. This translates to faster processing speeds and enhanced machine learning features for a smarter user experience. The Pixel 9a's POLED display supports HDR and reaches peak brightness levels of 2700 nits, making it superior for outdoor visibility compared to the Pixel 8a's OLED display with a peak of 2000 nits. This feature is a game changer for users who love to use their phones in bright sunlight. With the capability to shoot 4K video at 60 FPS, the Google Pixel 9a outshines the Pixel 8a, which also supports 4K but lacks some of the advanced stabilization features. This makes the Pixel 9a a better choice for videographers looking for high-quality footage. The Google Pixel 9a is priced at $600, while the Pixel 8a is more budget-friendly at $499. This price difference reflects the advanced features of the 9a, making it a worthy investment for those who want cutting-edge technology in their hands. In summary, while both the Google Pixel 9a and Pixel 8a offer fantastic features, the 9a stands out with its superior display, camera capabilities, and overall performance. Choosing between them ultimately depends on whether you want the latest tech or a more budget-friendly option that still delivers great value.